forgive me. I'm supposed to give it to the doctor.
Àkàrà tí ẹ ta fún ọmọ àgbàdo fífún.
Assuming it's this time.
Tó bá dé ní àsìkò yìí ni.
We will just tell the man, is he only you that is doing it?
Àwọn olùṣọ́ àtẹ̀ṣẹ́ wọn nìkan.
Please, if you did not hit my daughter or my son, please, you can go.
Ìjọba náà ti ẹ jàre.
But that woman have faith.
Ṣùgbọ́n mi ẹ ní
You know
ìgbàgbọ́.
that Jesus can do it.
Ó mọ̀ ìpé Jésù lè
What
ṣe.
did he say? It's not Jesus. Even the one that fell on the floor.
Ó ní àkàrà tó bọ́ sílẹ̀ nílẹ̀.
He said you can still pick it and eat.
Ó ní ajá lè fi kó jẹ́.
But Jesus told her.
Jésù wá sọ fún obìnrin
Say
yìí.
your faith.
Ó ní ìgbàgbọ́ rẹ. Ó ti fẹ́ ọmọ rẹ. Máa lọ.
Your daughter is healed.
Ara ọmọ rẹ ti yá.
That is faith.
Ìgbàgbọ́ nìyẹn.
There is another man again.
Ẹlòmíì tún wà nínú Bíbélì.
He's a soldier.
Ó jẹ́ jagunjagun.
A Roman soldier.
Nínú ìjagunjagun àwọn ìlú Róòmù.
You know that time.
Ní àsìkò yẹn.
They doesn't near this because it's the Roman that is ruling them.
Àwọn Róòmù.
When they see the Roman, they always bow down.
Wọ́n máa ń tẹríba.
So the officer, big officer, he heard about Jesus.
Ó gbọ́ pa Jésù.
Even there's some certain things I always say.
Àwọn kan wà tí àwọn ń sọ.
If everybody is bad,
Bí gbogbo àgbáyé
you may find one person that is good
wà á rí
inside.
ẹnìkan tó sì dá nínú wọn.
So that man did not have fear. He go and meet Jesus.
Ọkùnrin yẹn kò ní bẹ̀rù wá bá Jésù.
He asked Jesus, please, my servant is intercede for his servant.
Ó ń bẹ̀bẹ̀ fún ìránṣẹ́
Not
rẹ̀.
his son,
Ó ṣe ọmọ tí ẹ
not
wọ́n.
his relative,
Ó ṣe bí ẹ.
but his servant.
Ọmọ ọ̀dọ́
He
rẹ̀
said, my servant is sick.
Ó ní ara ọmọ ọ̀dọ́ mi ò yá.
He said, please,
Ó ní ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
can you pray for my servant
Ṣé ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ gbàdúrà
to be healed?
bí ara rẹ̀ kò yá?
So, Jesus stand up.
Jésù wá dìde.
He want to follow this
Ó
man.
fẹ́ tẹ̀lé ọkùnrin yìí.
And the man said, no, sir.
Ọkùnrin bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀dọ́
Don't
sà.
come.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ wá.
Even when you speak a word,
Tí ẹ̀yin bá sọ̀rọ̀.
it's not clear that you sit down.
Nígbà tí ẹ jókòó sí
He
ìlú.
will heal my servant.
Àwọn yìí bá mú ọmọ ọ̀dọ́ mi yẹn sàn.
Jesus said, your faith has healed your servant.
Ó ti mú ọmọ ọ̀dọ́ rẹ̀ sàn.
Faith we are talking about.
Ìgbàgbọ́ tí à ń sọ ń gbà ẹ̀.
The time that this man got home,
Nígbà tí ọkùnrin máa délé.
before he got home,
Ó ti
they
bá
had
ilé.
come
Wọ́n ti wá.
and he asked them, they said the man is healed.
Wọ́n ní ara ìtúrí à.
Asking them, what time?
Ó ní àkókò wo.
They told him,
Wọ́n wá sọ fún.
he remembered that it's the same time
Ó wá rántí
that Jesus
Jésù sọ fún
said
mi
him
wípé
that your servant is healed.
ara ọmọ ọ̀dọ́ rẹ̀ ti yá.
Why can't we have faith
Kílódé tí
today?
a gbọ́dọ̀ ní àlè ní ìgbà?
Why can't we have faith
Kílódé
today?
tí a lè ní ìgbà?
For things to be good for us.
Nǹkan láti dára fún wa.
For good things to be good for us.
Nǹkan láti dára
For
fún wa.
us to move forward.
Fún wa láti tẹ̀síwájú.
For us to move
Fún
forward.
wa láti tẹ̀síwájú.
When you have faith,
Tó bá ní ìgbàgbọ́.
like a mustard seed,
Tó dàbí ó lọ fún stádì.
when you test mountain to move,
Tó bá sọ pé ní òkè tó ṣì yìí.
mountain will move.
Òkè náà yóò ṣì yìí.
Let us have faith in the
Ẹ
Lord.
jẹ́ ká ní ìgbàgbọ́ nínú Ọlọ́run.
Let us have faith in the
Ẹ
Lord.
jẹ́ ká ní ìgbàgbọ́ nínú